Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmy Lou Arts and it is December 2nd, the 3rd. How am I already lost? Anyways, I'm journaling in my Hobonichi cousin Avec, my A5, and I'm loving it. This first day that you guys saw was spectacular. So much room for all of my dribble and drivel. Okay, looks like I was right the first time. It's the second. So this fantastically pretty, piece of paper was sent to me from AJ, and it was in a Happy Mail, and I love it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't know how she did it, but it's very pretty. Probably with some sort of cutout thing. I'm not sure. But I tore it, and I'm putting it on the bottom of my page to kind of cover up the quotes. I do miss having quotes that I can read. I mean, it wasn't often that they were really relevant, but when they were, man, they were good. I'll give it to you, Hobonichi. So that is a piece of collage that I tore out of a Real Simple magazine. It is a lady folding laundry. And I've done a lot of laundry this last 2 days, trying to mark things off in my task tracker. And you guys, I'm so excited. I've marked things off. All of our sheets, all of our towels are marked off, and that thrills me. So yeah, that's why I put in that. And then as you can see, I'm having a hell of a time with that corner rounder. Oh my God. And this is my good corner rounder. You should see the one I had before. So I printed off, using the Pick Stitch app, 2 little pictures on my Sprocket of this morning because the kids and I went over to my mom and dad's, and my mom made pancakes, and we drank coffee and read horoscopes, and it was wonderful. It was lovely. So I printed out some pictures of that. And then that card is a journaling card that I was sent in a little Happy Mail. I think maybe those are Project Life cards. I love them. They're so sweet and perfect for my obsession with tip-ins. So there you go. I put some stickers from a lot of the ones from the Everyday Life sticker book, and then the pig and cat stickers. All of those, if you guys don't know, I link everything that I can kind of find from Amazon down in my description box if you're ever looking for stickers. But now that you guys are sending me so much stuff, I don't know where a lot of them are from. So unless they're the old ones that I've bought, I'm not sure. So these rabbit ones are so funny. Oh my goodness. It's just like a bunch of food basically. And I put, what did I write? Cafe Grandma or something like that. Because when my kids go to my mom and dad's house, it's like Grandma will just make things appear. Like, I want pickle chips.
Oh, my darling, why here you go.
Grandma, I would like V8 juice.
Oh, why? Here you go. Here it is. I happen to have some right here.
It's like you order it and it just appears. And so yeah, it's just funny. They go over there and they just love to eat. Usually they have bowls of Rice Krispies. So this morning was very special with pancakes. Don't ask me why they look forward to a bowl of Rice Krispies. It's like they're in prison here. I do give them good food. I don't know. I really don't. And then I'm journaling on the back of the Project Life card, using one of my vintage Sarasa colored pens that I got for Christmas from my sister-in-law. And I think I linked those on Amazon too, but they're beautiful. I have had trouble with them on the paper. If I watercolor on the paper, they do not want to write over that. But on the Project Life card, it wrote beautifully. So I don't know what to tell you. I'm making a tip-in using that beautiful tape. Unless I've lost track, I believe that was my friend from Iceland who originally sent me a letter. She sent me some samples of washi that she liked. Now, please forgive me if I'm wrong and it was somebody else. Everything's starting to get fuzzy. And this is samples of washi that somebody else sent me. They're so cute. Sloth washi. Oh my God, I just love it. What is it about sloths? My husband and I were looking, what was it? What prompted us to look up the stupidest animals? Well, sloths are very stupid, apparently. And so are koalas. No, koalas. Yeah. Oh, I know what it was, because I got Happy Mail from Australia. And this girl was so sweet, and she was telling me all about Australia and how there's a koala hospital. And I was reading it to my husband, and he said, "Aren't koalas really stupid?" And I was like, "What? How in the hell do you know something like that?" So we looked it up. Koalas are stupid. They are. It's like a scientific fact. Something about like their brains don't have a lot of folds or something. I'm not really sure, but apparently it's a thing. So they're stupidly cute, though. They're very cute. But apparently vicious. That's also what my husband said, that they're more vicious than, what did he say, crocodiles? I'm not sure if the this is why you can never trust what you read on the internet. I'm not sure if any of that was right. Oh, you guys. So anyways, I'm doodling today with I'm doing pancakes, a stack of pancakes, which I thought was perfect. And they were really cute. And then I was using some stamps. Those long wooden dowel stamps are from a craft store that went out of business, or a scrapbooking store. And I bought a heart, and I bought this little coffee cup that I thought was super cute. And so I am just stamping a bunch of little coffee cups around my stack of pancakes. I just think they look so cute. I'm really happy with the whole doodling thing. I'm having fun. So those are what those stamps were. And people have asked me before what the brand is on those, and I do not know. I can't find anything written on those wooden stamps, so I'm not sure. And that 25 stamp was, I think, from like a clearance at the scrapbook store, or somewhere else from a clearance bin. And I was going to add cents and make it like it was 25 cents at Cafe Grandma, get it? And then I also got crazy, and I doodled a barber pole and some scissors, because we went and got Henry's haircut today at Sport Clips, because my husband took him to Sport Clips once, and he actually got a good haircut. We like Jen at Sport Clips, so that's who we go to. So now it's like, when we have to get his haircut, he's always like, "Are we gonna go see Jen at Sport Clips?" Because the kid has a crazy hair whirl in the back of his head, like 5 different ones going on, and no girls have ever cut it right. Like they don't. It's like they look at it and their eyes just get big with fear. Like, I don't know what to do with his head. Jen can handle it. Jen at Sport Clips, she can handle it. So we keep going back. So now he no longer looks like a little mongrel. We got the sheep shorn, and I'm using these little arrows and stuff from American Crafts sticker book, and I'm having so much fun with those little flags. I had never used them before, but now with all of my newfound room, I'm just flagging everything. And then I put that he had his appointment, and I'm using the Twee markers again. Twi markers, you guys, I don't know. There are the Arteza ones that Arteza sent me. The brush end is hard for me to use, but I love this little fine tip. I love to journal with it, I found. So, what do you know? It's cool. I love it. And there's so many different colors. And I'm just writing about, our morning, how we went to my mom and dad's, and they had pancakes, and then we had to go to Costco and return some books, and then we had to go to the library and return a book, and then we went to get Henry's haircut. And then that sticker, I decided to lay down. It was sent to me, put on some gangster wrap and handle it. Like your laundry was kind of what I was getting at, like handle it, whatever. And then I got I love it. It's perfect in my mind. I got a stencil and I was just doing a little doodle to kind of separate two different thoughts or whatever. I used that little Hobonichi girl stamp in the corner and I wrote me in the bubble because you guys, feel like I'm failing at this parenting thing. My daughter, God love her. I love her so much. I am just seriously struggling right now. We are having a problem with this like selfishness. Like we didn't raise her that way, but she gets in these moods where it's like, it's Addie's world and we're all just living in it. And she's got this little friend over and, you know, if she wants to practice gymnastics and her little friend doesn't want to practice gymnastics, well then Addie is unhappy. I'm like, buck up, Buttercup, snap out of it. No one is going to want to play with you if you act like this. And then I feel like I'm doing something wrong as a parent. I don't know. I don't know. She's not always like that, but sometimes she gets like that and I just don't know what to do. I don't want to I don't know. We talked a lot about it after her friend was gone. And I mean, it's like a 5-minute episode and then they make up and everything is fine. So it's probably just a normal thing. I just hate to see my kid be the asshole kid.
No one wants their own kid to be the asshole kid, right?
So, I don't know. Anyways, I'm just put a mild liner heart on it. That'll fix it. Oh, can we just put mild liner hearts like in our life? Like if you just you meet somebody that that you don't like annoys you, you just take out a mild liner and just draw a heart on their forehead. Oh, I feel like I'm delirious. This winter break is killing me. I think that's the end of my journaling for today, pretty much. I'm sticking on some more food stickers for Cafe Grandma. Just God love everybody. We're almost there. We're almost there. And I'm sticking in a little flower bud vase sticker because I just thought it was cute. And those stickers I don't have linked. Sorry, I just had a small stroke and forgot what I was saying. I don't have linked because I don't know where they're from, but I think maybe, I'm not sure. I would be lying if I told you. I don't know. It was blank up above, like it was too white in that corner, so I just highlighted the date box for some unknown reason. And then there is the book that I've been using for my doodles. I have that one linked below, and then it's like a series. There's a couple more in the series, and I have the animal one that's super cute. So if you're interested in those books, you can look down in the description box if you want. And then I'm putting in these rainbows on tomorrow, just because I thought they were so pretty and cute. And you can never go wrong with rainbows. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So I hope that I have not scared you guys away. If you're new, I'm so glad you're here. Please stay. Don't go. Don't go. This is my journal, and we're going to keep doing it, and I'm going to keep talking to you guys like you're my friends, and it's like free therapy. So if you guys know how to parent, please let me know. Bye.